Rightio, so this time around we're working on the Hilux, not the Chevy. Got to do some improvements to my dual battery system. Last time we went away camping, the relay came unplugged, which meant no power to the battery, which meant hot fridge, which meant hot beer, which is not good. So I've got to rip the relay and the associated wiring out from that, and we're going to install a Redarc SBI 12 unit, which is just an upgrade. It's more reliable. It's just got provisions for bigger cable, which means better charging, all that sort of stuff. So tidy that up, and then in the back of the car, on a little platform I made for the fridge, I'm going to just put a couple of power outlets, one for the fridge and then a couple for, you know, charging phones and batteries and stuff. It's all going to be a bit temporary and a bit shoddy looking because it's going to be coming out anyway. I've got to rip the tub and the canopy off, and I'm going to be doing an alloy canopy build, so keep an eye out for that in the future. But yeah, for the meantime, it's just got to work for the coming weekend. So let's get to it. Righto, here's my current setup. That's the main battery. That's the auxiliary battery. So there's a few fuses and stuff hanging off them. It's a little bit messy. Down there is the relay, which is what joins the two when the ignition switch is on. So we're going to be replacing that with this here. It's a Redarc smart battery isolator. So it's essentially just a relay that switches on when the main battery gets to a predetermined voltage, it's about 13.5 volts. It's also got an override switch here, which allows you to join the two batteries should your main battery go flat. So we're going to mount that probably about there-ish, and yeah, do the wiring accordingly. Got most of the wiring ripped out, spare batteries out, got the isolator mounted, pretty solid. It's got to find some appropriate wire to wire it all up with. So look through the box, see what's in here.
Without acting alone,
Right, yeah, so I got all the Redarc installed. That's it over there, glowing away. Wiring is acceptable at best. It's a bit heavy going, but like I said earlier, it's going to be all changed anyway in the coming months when I do the canopy build anyway. So this little fridge mount I knocked up. It's out of an old recycled pallet from work. So I'm going to run power outlets and stuff over this side here. So the fuse box will be somewhere around here. A couple of power outlets out here facing that way. I'll have a voltmeter and a couple of USB outlets, and then just a couple of cigarette sockets so you can charge phones and cameras and all that sort of stuff.
without
finished wiring that little fuse box up and the power outlets. So that's number 1 over there. It's got the voltmeter and it's got a twin USB outlet. And over this side is the second outlet. It's just 2 cigarette sockets, so that'll run anything I put in there. I've got a little light that'll run off that for the under the tent and stuff. And you put a USB adapter in there or something if you need to. So there's the fuse box. Like I said, this is all like just stuff I've had floating around. It doesn't have to look pretty, it's just got to work until I rip it out and put it all in the back when I do the canopy build anyway, so should work a treat. Got this thing all sorted, ready to go to Double Island next weekend. Going up there for 4 days just to chill out, do some drinking and fishing and swimming and general yahooing. Should be good. Tune in next time. I don't know what it's going to be. I thought this video was going to be the Chevy, but yeah, the Hilux is. Anyway, I'm hungry, I need some beer. Thanks for watching. Bye.